So far, we've talked about two important foundations of healing: hydration and structure. But something else must happen before repair can begin. Energy must return. Inside every cell are structures called mitochondria. They produce the energy your body uses to function. This energy powers repair, powers detox, it powers immune activity, and it powers tissue regeneration. Without energy, the body moves into survival mode, and survival mode pauses repair. Why does this matter? This is why fatigue, chronic inflammation, and slow recovery often appear together. They are signals that the body is conserving energy, not failing, it's conserving. Before the body can rebuild tissue, restore joints, or improve lung function, energy must return. Healing follows a sequence: hydration, structure, energy. When energy stabilizes, deeper repair becomes possible. This week, we'll explore how cellular energy shapes the healing process.